Hey, buddy. Where did you put your N-scale Thomas? Looks like he escaped.
There.
He's over there.
Oh, yeah.
What's happening? Who's opening the box? Thomas is escaping. Oh, no. And now Annie and Clarabelle joined them. They're running away. Oh, no. Now the tracks are mad. They're chasing after them. It's like, come back. You need to be on a track. And the controller was like, I'll teach you. Let's go on the tracks. Come on. And then they're like, okay, enough is enough. Let's get set up so Thomas can come on the tracks. If we build the tracks, Thomas will come. See, the tracks are all assembled.
Yeah.
And Thomas is going to be like, that looks interesting. Let me get on the tracks. Come on, Annie. Come on, Clarabelle. Let's go check this track out. Chugga, 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 chugga.
Look, they're going on the rocks.
Yeah, they're going. Yeah, look, they even saw a starfish and a Nemo fish on their trip. Isn't that fun?
Right there.
Yeah, this is the N scale Thomas. What other Thomas do we have? We have an N scale.
Yeah, G scale.
We have a G scale,
D scale.
HO scale,
H scale.
and O scale.
Okay.
Wow, we have all these Thomas. And Annie and Clarabelle, do you love them?
They are different kinds of Thomas.
Yeah, different kinds of Thomas.
They are a family of Thomas.
That's a family of Thomas. That's amazing.
Yeah.